One thing LLMs are pretty good at is changing the reading level of text. So today I'm going to show you how to use SchoolAI to change the reading level of some text. And because you're using SchoolAI, you can also generate a lot of other instructional materials as well to go with your level text, which is a great reason to choose SchoolAI. Let me also quickly point out to you that at this time, SchoolAI is transitioning from their legacy platform, which will look like this when you go to SchoolAI. And if you remember, there is a section of tools and there is a section of assistance and there are spaces in SchoolAI to Dot, which is their new beta version. And we're going to use Dot today. You will notice that the interaction with Dot seems more like a Gemini or a ChatGPT because you're communicating in this one window in the middle rather than filling in boxes. SchoolAI lets you upload documents, and we're going to do that right now. It comes right out of our CKLA textbook. Now our PDF is successfully uploaded, and I'm going to begin a conversation with Dot by asking Dot to change the reading level to accommodate a lower level reader, make it a third grade reading level. This is a chapter from a fifth grade textbook, and include a summary and a vocabulary list based on the text. I'm asking Dot to do quite a few things. Everything that you create when you're using Dot will be kept as a history over here on the right hand side, so you can go back to that at any time. It's always very important to carefully and critically proofread any document that you produce with artificial intelligence because they do often contain errors. So we're going to spend some time looking at this, making sure it is accurate. I do notice right away that there are too many words on this word list for my particular goals. So I am going to ask Dot to correct that. You will notice that Dot is suggesting, would I like to make a follow-up activity like a quiz or a matching game or discussion cards? I did ask Dot to limit the number of vocabulary words to 8. Dot remade the document with a shorter vocabulary list. And Dot tells me what Dot did. Am I ready to use it with my third graders? No, I'm going to ask Dot to make me something else. I can use one of these things are called power-ups. They also live right here. And Dot is offering to produce a printable worksheet template. I think I might ask for multiple choice questions first and then try the printable worksheet template. Here I ask Dot to make the comprehension questions multiple choice with 3 answer choices per question and also include a key, which Dot did. And at this point, Dot is suggesting that I build a Google slide recap of the presentation. Dot can generate some flashcards for vocabulary review. I think I'm going to ask Dot to make a paper document for me. So I want to choose one of the power-ups, which is a document generator. And I'm going to ask Dot to make that comprehension quiz. Next up, I asked Dot, could you make a document that has a level text and the questions? And I asked Dot to change the title of the document. There was a power-up that followed, a worksheet with matching for the definitions and the words. So I had Dot go ahead and make that as well, along with an answer key. So Dot has leveled my text and made me quite a few other things that I can use instructionally to go with that level text. Don't forget, if you don't see your document over here, you can always just grab this text, copy, and paste it into a Google Doc just like so. Have fun experimenting with SchoolAI to make your work a little lighter. Remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.